Hi, today we are going to add a database to our SQL server. First of all, let's open the SSMS and see what database we are going to work with. As you see, I have the AdventureWork 2014 and I am going to update it with the 2017 version of the same database. Let's open our browser and find the AdventureWork 2017. So we have to search for the database, download. I have it here. Download the SQL Server AdventureWork database. It's always better to use the Microsoft website. So I will click to install and configure AdventureWork sample database. And if you go down, you can find the AdventureWork 2017 backup file. Click on it and save the file. Now let's find the file by opening the File Explorer. Mostly it will be downloaded in the download folder. This is the AdventureWork backup file. It's better to move it to the backup folder. So I will just right click on it and cut the file. Then I try to find the exact folder that I installed the SSMS. So usually it's in the C drive in the program files, and then click on the Microsoft SQL Server. Mostly the last folder is the folder that you installed the MS-SQL. Click on it and then you will see a backup folder. If you click on the backup folder, you might see a window getting the permission to open it. So just click OK and then paste the file, the AdventureWork 2017 backup file, into the folder. Now it's time to open the SSMS. Look, I have the older version of the AdventureWork, but now I want to restore and add the newer version. So I just right click on the databases, go to the restore database, select the device and then click on the ellipse bottom or the three dots. Then by pushing the add button, I will see all my backup files. Now I'm going to select the 2017 version and 1, 2, 3, and I think 4 times I have to hit OK button. Just we need to wait a little for the backup database to be installed and to be restored. The database AdventureWork 2017 restored successfully. The 4th time that I'm hitting OK, and now you can see the database here. If you didn't see the database, you just refresh your Object Explorer and you will see the AdventureWork 2017 folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching and bye.